Hi, this video is going to look at the basics behind the Coulomb's law PhET simulation. So start off at the PhET website, scroll down to chemistry, and then scroll down again until you see Coulomb's law. Click on the play button and let's get started. This simulator has two different areas, the macro scale area and the atomic scale area. Let's start off with the macro scale and then we'll move over to the atomic scale. Overall, it's pretty simplistic. You have a ruler, you have two different areas of charge, and then you have the forces that are either attracting or repelling those charges. So you can turn off and on the force values. So the arrows are always going to be indicating the magnitude of the force, but you can actually quantify it by having the force values checked here. You can also turn on scientific notation so that those are given in scientific notation. Down here, you have charges that can range from -10 microcoulombs through 10 microcoulombs. And if you notice, when you have like charges, they are repelling. And when you have opposites, they are attracting. The ruler is set in centimeters, and you can adjust the location of the charge, but there's a minimum distance that you can get them from each other. If we switch over to the atomic scale, now instead of microcoulombs, we're dealing with the charge on an electron and a proton. So a negative E is going to be an electron charge. So that would be one electron. And a positive E is going to be the charge on a proton. And so we are representing the attractive force between electrons and protons here. And the ruler is now in picometers. So we're going from 0 to 10 to 20 to 30 picometers. It might help you to note that you can do fine adjustments. So if you open up this little shortcut here, it tells you you can do finer adjustments by doing Shift and the arrow keys. But you do have to hit Tab to actually get into that. So if you tab now, I can hit Shift and the arrow keys to do finer adjustments. If I don't hit Shift, it'll be the large adjustments. Just to give yourself as many options as you can on the simulator. Hopefully that helped, and good luck.